Good morning, children. Today we will do Michael Goes Climbing exercises and answers. All the exercises I am going to do here, so watch it carefully. First exercise is complete the following. Two women were talking to each other. One of them called Michael proud, spoiled, and mischievous. Mischievoous. The other woman felt that sometimes mischief makes a person courageous. Meanwhile, Michael climbed the church spire where some workmen had left their ladder. So he got a chance to stand over the golden ball beneath the weather vane. Vane. After some time, he discovered that the ladder was missing. A feeling of fright, despair, and sickness, sickness, sickness came over him because he did not know how to get down. Okay, children, this is a type of summary of this lesson. Now we will do true false. You have to write T for true, F for false. First statement is the first woman called Michael a nice boy. False. The first woman called Michael a spoiled boy. The second woman called Michael courageous. True. The church was in the market. True. The workmen had left their ladder below the spire near the trapdoor. True. Michael could not reach the top of the spire. False. A sudden feeling of joy came on Michael when he found the ladder missing. False, because a sudden feeling of fright came on Michael. He became scared. The spire on the base of the ball was fully slated. False, it was half slated. It was safe to grasp the spire and come down. False, it was risky. Now what to do? You have to read the sentences given below and then write who said them to whom. First sentence is well, mischief sometimes makes a person courageous. Second woman or other woman you can write also said so to first woman. I would be the first person in town to stand on the golden ball. Michael said so to himself. Michael ने खुद से कहा था ये लाइन. Have you heard the news? An old lady said so to her neighbor. Or you can write her sick neighbor. Okay, children. Now, come to the next. Complete the following statements. Michael belonged to Netherlands. You have to write here the name of the country. Why I have written Netherlands? Because it is given that he was Dutch. और डच हम लोग किसको कहते हैं? नीदरलैंड में रहने वाले लोगों को डच कहते हैं. Michael wanted to climb over the golden ball because he wanted all to see him like a hero. You can write one thing more, that he wanted to become the first man to stand there. But I have written here, he wanted all to see him like a hero. मतलब वो चाहता था कि सभी लोग उसे हीरो की तरह देखें. When the people saw Michael standing on the golden ball, they became shocked and fixed their eyes at him. वो लोग shocked हो गए और आंखें उसी पर गड़ाकर उसको देखने लग गए. Michael's father, who had lost all hope from him, sent him to the sea. माइकल के फादर जिन्होंने सारी उम्मीद अपनी खो दी थी उस पर से, उन्होंने उसे सी में भेज दिया, समुद्र में. Michael was very successful at sea. he became an admiral माइकल जून डे रॉयटर. माइकल समुद्र में जाकर बहुत ही सफल रहा और वो क्या बन गया, एक एडमिरल बन गया और उसका नाम ये हो गया. अंडर माइकल द डच नेवी डिफीटेड द इंग्लिश फ्लीट. डच नेवी ने क्या किया, माइकल के अंडर में इंग्लिश फ्लीट को हरा दिया. नाउ क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. These are answers. You can take the screenshot to write it down also. Look at this first, then I will read it. Okay, now let's read. Why did the first woman say that she felt like hitting Michael every time she saw him? क्यों पहली औरत ने ये कहा कि उसे लगता है कि वो जब भी माइकल को देखे तो उसे मार दे? The first woman said that about Michael because he was a spoiled, mischievous child. Okay, spoiled and mischievous child you can write here. And why had the workmen left the ladder near the trapdoor? The workmen were slating the church spire, so they left the ladder near the trapdoor. वर्कमैन ने क्यों छोड़ दिया था सीढ़ी ट्रैपडोर के निकट? क्योंकि वो लोग वहां पे काम कर रहे थे, चर्च स्पायर को स्लेटिंग कर रहे थे. दैट्स वाई दे लेफ्ट द लैडर. Why did Michael not want to take help from others? Michael did not want to take help from others because that would be the end of his adventure. ADVENTURE. माइकल क्यों नहीं हेल्प लेना चाहता था दूसरों से? क्योंकि ये उसके एडवेंचर का अंत होता, इसीलिए वो दूसरों से हेल्प नहीं लेना चाहता था. नाउ द लास्ट वन. हाउ डिड माइकल फाइनली रीच डाउन सेफली? माइकल नीचे कैसे सेफली पहुंचा? माइकल स्लिड डाउन स्लोली फ्रॉम द बॉल. माइकल धीरे धीरे स्लिड करता हुआ यानी फिसला बॉल से. ही लेफ्ट द बॉल क्विकली एंड फाइनली रीच डाउन सेफली. उसने तेजी से बॉल छोड़ा और धीरे धीरे फिर सेफली वो ग्राउंड पे पहुंच गया नीचे. नाउ C8. This is the same meaning word. The act of saving someone from danger is called rescue. A feeling of hopelessness, despair. To put body against something, leaned. To hold tightly, grasp, GRASP. Quickly, rapidly. To break something completely, destroyed. Here you have to fill all these words. Okay. The disease is spreading rapidly. Rapidly means तेजी से, with alarming rate. She grasped my arm so that she might not fall. यहाँ grasp में why I have added ed? क्योंकि she might not fall past है तो यहाँ भी past होगा. उसने मेरा हाथ पकड़ा जोर से, टाइटली, ताकि वो गिर ना पड़े. The earthquake destroyed several buildings. अर्थक्वेक से क्या हुआ? बहुत सारे बिल्डिंग्स डिस्ट्रॉय हो गए. I was lost. A policeman came to my rescue and guided me. Rescue means बचाने के लिए, बचाओ. The old man leaned against the wall. Leaned means झुकना या किसी से अड़ के खड़े होना, सट के. She overcame her despair and decided to try again. Despair means निराशा. Overcame means काबू पाया. उसने अपने निराशा पे काबू पाया और क्या डिसाइड किया? फिर से ट्राई करने का. Now what is this? Opposite words. And you have to write opposite whatever given in your lesson. Start का stop भी हो सकता है, but end is given in your lesson. That's why I have chosen end. start, end, safe, dangerous, defeat, victory, slowly, rapidly, above, below, empty, full, soft, hard, healthy, sick. Healthy, unhealthy भी होता है, but sick is given in your book. Mischievous. What you have to do here in this exercise, you have to write correct spelling. Some spellings are correct also, but most of the spellings given are wrong. Okay, now let's do correct it. Mischievous. Mischievous. Courageous is right. So write the same spelling. Weather vane. Weather. Vane. Despair. Despair. Controlled. Controlled. Dangerous. Dangerous. Caught. Caught. Neighbors. 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 Now, some questions are given as life skills which you have to do yourself, but it is difficult for a child to write down. So for your help, I have written all these. You can take help from these answers. Let's read these questions thoroughly. Look at it 1, 2 and 3, and then I will show you the answers also. Look at this first answer. You can take the screenshot. Then second answer. Then third answer. Whatever I have cut here, you have not to write it. Here you can see that it is written might. It might not fall down. I decided not to do mischiefs from that day. Okay. Hope it is visible to all of you. Hope you like my video, children, and this will be helpful for you. Now subscribe my channel, like it, share it with your friends because it will be helpful for them also, and comment on it. Thank you.